Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to save a file with some passwords. Every time when somebody prompts to open it, they will be asked for a password. For that, here I have a sheet with some data. So I'm just going to save this as a password protected file. For that, you have to click on File, Save As, and then give your desired location, and then go to Tools in the bottom, General Options, and here it is asking like password to open, so gives your desired numbers or something, and then you can also type password to modify if you wish they have to modify something, or they should not be modified and they should only see. Then you can give this type to password to modify and read only recommended, and then click on OK, and then re-enter the passwords. Then click on save. Do you want to replace the existing file? Say yes, and then now it's saved. When you are trying to open the same file, it will be asking for a password. Then give your password, and then if you have to edit, then give the password. If you want to just read the file, just give read only, and it gets opened. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much.